Hi, and welcome to this quick demo of Stopwatch. Stopwatch is a free software for Windows, macOS, and Linux that helps you see the times in different formats. So the default is a clock, and then you have different tools. Here you have a small calendar. You can put an alarm clock to decide to play some music at a specific time. You have a stopwatch, so you can start it. You can pause it if you want, then unpause it. Split basically will write the number inside this field so they can continue. So every time I hit split up, it will write the time over there. And of course, you can also stop it at one point. If you click start, it will start again from 0. So you have a timer. So timer will start from, for example, you can decide 1 minute, 1 hour, whatever. You can decide it to loop and to beep when it arrives to 0. And you can even introduce some pause between restarting the timer if you want. So server time is basically going to ask from a HTTP server what is the time, so that you know if your local clock is on time or not compared to the other clock. So you see there's a small difference, maybe of 1 or 2 seconds. Then the different time zone. So here in this case, my local time, which is European Central Time with GMT, or maybe I want to see what is the time in San Francisco, or I can say, okay, this is, I can define the time, and so let's say it's 3 o'clock at San Francisco, and what is my local time by then. So here, because I have now selected, but I can also, if I have a meeting, let's say as 1930, and 1930 San Francisco time, then I'll see that it will be at 4 o'clock in the morning. But if I have a meeting at 7 p.m. in this case, local time, it would be like 10 a.m. at San Francisco. Of course, you have pre-selected time zone, but you can also select to see all the time zone possible, so have more choice. In this case, most of the time you probably just need a few of these time zone. Then you have a countdown to date. So here you'll see that the 1st of January is in 11 months in this case, because we are end of January. And then you have a Pomodoro, which is a bit like a timer, and basically you just start the part and it will count down 25 minutes and allow you to do a pause. You can make it to loop if you want to do more than one, and then you can say will write pause in 25 minutes about, and it will pause for 5 minutes and start again showing Pomodoro.